Hello, my fellow BMW enthusiasts. I have been on an 11-month journey to upgrade the software in my 2019 X5 remotely, and I finally have it successfully installed, and let me show you my journey. As I mentioned earlier, this is a 2019 model which I purchased in late 2023, and I was surprised to see that the software had not been updated. So I went in and did a remote upgrade, and the first upgrade was successful. With the 2020 version successfully installed, it was now time to upgrade to the 2021 version. Here's where my troubles began. After several repeated attempts, I was able to download the 2021 version of the software, but it would never install. I asked my South Carolina dealer what could be done to resolve this software issue, and they said I could pay to have the software all upgraded, and fundamentally I had an issue with that, given that this remote software upgrade is supposed to be free. Their other recommendation was to contact a BMW Genius to see if they could solve the problem. I spoke to the BMW Genius bar, and they said this is a known problem, just be patient with it. As instructed, I parked the vehicle on level ground, set the parking brake, and made sure the vehicle had a clear view to the sky. But after 5 to 6 months of repeated attempts to complete the installation, it never successfully completed. And then I got lucky. This recall campaign required new software for the engine starter. And in order to accomplish this, BMW had to update all the software in the car for free. So that was my outcome. I just got lucky, but it did solve my problem. BMW Remote app works now. It did not work before, but it works now. So I can remotely lock and unlock the car and see where the car is. So everything's working great as a result of this free and complete software update. So if you found this video helpful or informative, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.